Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
At home. Thank you for cooking. Cooking. Thank you for cooking. You're welcome. I hope you like it. Thank you for washing up. Washing up. Thank you for washing up. No problem. It was my turn anyway. Thank you for taking out the trash. Taking out the trash. Thank you for taking out the trash. Of course. The bin was getting full. Thank you for cleaning. Cleaning. Thank you for cleaning. I just wanted to make it look nice for everyone. Thank you for making the bed. Making the bed. Thank you for making the bed. You're welcome. It looks much better now. Thank you for folding the laundry. Folding the laundry. Thank you for folding the laundry. Anytime. Folding clothes is actually kind of relaxing. Thank you for feeding the pets. Feeding the pets. Thank you for feeding the pets. No worries. They were hungry. Thank you for setting the table. Setting the table. Thank you for setting the table. You're welcome. Dinner smells great. Thank you for watering the plants. Watering the plants. Thank you for watering the plants. No problem. They were looking a little dry. Thank you for checking the mail. Checking the mail. Thank you for checking the mail. You're welcome. There were a few letters for you. Let's say the sentences. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the meal. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you for the snacks. Thank you for the ride. Thank you for your help. Thank you for the map. Thank you for your care. Thank you for checking on me. Thank you for everything. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon. Support me there so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.